Hello everyone. In this video lecture we can see on topic firewall basing from the 5th unit of for the subject cybersecurity. The objectives are to understand about the firewall basing and to apply firewall basing in systems. It is common to base a firewall on a standalone machine running a common operating system such as Unix or Linux. Firewall functionality can also be implemented as a software module in a router or LAN switch. A Bayesian host is a system identified by the firewall administrator as a critical strong point in the network security. Typically, the Bayesian host serves as a platform for an application level or circuit level gateway. These are the common characteristics of Bayesian host. The Bayesian host hardware platform executes a secure version of its operating system, making it a hardened system. Only the services that the network administrator considers essential are installed on the Bayesian host. These could include proxy applications for DNS, FTP, HTTP and SMTP. The Bayesian host may require additional authentication before a user is allowed access to the proxy services. In addition, each proxy service may require its authentication before granting user access. Each proxy is configured to support only a subset of the standard application's command set. Each proxy is configured to allow access only to specific host systems. This means that the limited command or feature set may be applied only to a subset of systems on the protected network. Each proxy maintains detailed audit information by logging all traffic, each connection, and the duration of each connection. The audit log is an essential tool for discovering and terminating intruder attacks. Each proxy module is a very small software package specifically designed for network security. Because of its related simplicity, it is easier to check each module for security flaws. Each proxy is independent of other proxies on the Bayesian host. If there is a problem with the operation on any proxy, or if any failure, any future vulnerability, it can be uninstalled without affecting the operation of the other proxy applications. Also, if the user population requires support for a new service, the network administrator can easily install the required proxy on the Bayesian host. A proxy generally performs no disk access other than to read its initial configuration file. Hence, the portion of the file system containing executable code can be made read-only. Host-based firewalls. A host-based firewall is a software module used to secure an individual host. Such modules are available in many operating systems or can be provided as an add-on package. A common location for such firewall is a server. There are several advantages to use a server-based or workstation-based firewall. Filtering rules can be tailored to the host environment. Specific corporate security policies for servers can be implemented with different filters for servers used for different applications. Protection is provided independent of topology. Thus, both internal and external attackers must pass through the firewall. And the another kind of configuration is personal firewall. A personal firewall controls the traffic between the personal computer or workstation on one side and the internet or enterprise network on the other side. Personal firewall functionality can be used in the home environment and on corporation intranets. They are typically much less complex than either server-based firewall or standalone firewalls. An example of personal firewall is the capability built in to the Mac OS operating system. When the user enables the personal firewall in Mac OS, all inbound connections are denied except for those the user explicitly permits. So that's all about the firewall Bayesian host.